is America's top robot. And they're off. Meebo's streaming video keeps us in on the action. Here comes Balance Bot. Ooh! Meebo's on the approach. And in position.
I totally failed that test. If my parents find out...
Oh, they will.
Did that just come from Meebo's mouth? Balance Bot is on the okay. Check out Meebo's arm control. It's safe to say we have a clear winner. Meebo!
What is my purpose? Oh my God.
You're looking into the eyes of a robot, and he's looking back at you. He's curious about who you are and what you're up to. This is Vector. This is a video about Vector. He's a new creation from Anki. You officially live in a time when robot sidekicks are a real thing.
Hey, Vector. Give me a fist bump.
You've got a robot in your house waiting for you to get home. Autonomous like a Mars rover, aware enough to avoid falls like a tightrope walker, ooh, and always excited to welcome you home like a loyal companion.
What's up, Vector?
Jason.
Vector's no slouch roommate either. He's happiest when he's helping out. Ask him the weather, and he'll show you. He can set a timer and cause a commotion when it's finished. Activate robot alarm. And he can connect his robot brain to the internet to answer your questions.
Definition of life, the characteristic state in the world of living.
He's a little robot who brings a lot to your house. He's also a little robot with nearly 700 parts. That one right there, that's his soul part. Okay, I made that one up, but the little guy's got soul.
You bond with him, relate with him, care about him, and you feel that he can relate to you.
Did I mention he likes to be pet? I know.
Hey, Vector. I have a question. What's an epsilon?
Hey, Vector.
Take a picture.
What's the weather?
Timer's done.
Hey, Vector. Get some rest.